G'day, my name is Raiden, and today I'll be packing an order. I've been asked to do a video for this order, so I'll be doing it. It's an order for Richard. Hello Richard, if you're watching this. I'm delivering it to Hervey Bay. So I've also been asked to make sure this is also sent out today for him, so it'll be exciting. Now, we've got there's a lot of small items that he ordered. So I'm gonna start off packing all the big stuff. So we get it from the back. We'll get it from the back of the warehouse from stock, and make sure we have it in stock. But we get it from the back or either from this shelf here. We also recycle our boxes. So this box specifically used to store 200 amp hour lithium cells. But since, putting in batteries and all that, we get a buildup of these boxes. So we use it to repack things and send it out as well. So that's that there. Then I'll go for another box of the alligator clips. These are $2 each. So there, pack it in there. In my last job, I did a lot of packing, so I know all the ins and outs. It's for an exporting company. It's quite fun, I'd say. Now I'm getting the 50 amp inline fuses. Or 50 amp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. And to there. Put into there. And then 2 heat solar charge controllers. Fit it in. All they're wedged together, so I'll not be bumping around everywhere. And then 20 heat shrink kits. Make sure you use as much space as I can, and then some. I'm very creative in making my boxes. If you've ordered some batteries from us before, you see that I'm very decorative packing. Look at that, perfect, absolutely perfect. So I'm going to close that and then tape it up, get it booked as soon as possible, and then sent out.